Area, hello. Hello, Ishani. Hey, Aditya. Hello, Krishna. अच्छा ये अभी भी चल रहा है सुपर हीरो वाला सही है that's good, that's good, that's good. तो रियल नंबर्स राइट मजा आ रहा है रियल नंबर्स में नहीं आ रहा है अरे फोर्थ सेशन राइट सही है थैंक्स हर्षद भाई गुड आफ्टरनून सर इट्स विच सेशन आई थिंक टुडे इज द फोर्थ सेशन आज हम लोगों का फोर्थ सेशन है करेक्ट आज कौन सा सेशन है फोर्थ सेशन no this part is not deleted so are you ready for starting this yes thank you Aditya so let's start here अरे किड जल्दी से करो यार last 20 seconds 5 seconds more 4 3 2 1 and time's up सही है यार so very good try kids I'm really happy to see you guys trying wow, wow. That's good you guys have done really good तो यार कैसे करना था yes just write the factors correct SCF क्या हो जाएगा select the number which is common 3 and 11 yes or no kids any doubt you have thank you so आगे बढ़े क्या no problem let's start जल्दी से कर लो यार। लास्ट 10 सेकेंड्स के सारी हमारी अब जल्दी करो यार। एंड वेरी गुड ट्राई कैच, सुपर। तो तुम लोगों को अब समझ आ गया है कि एलसीएम भी निकालना कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है। इट्स वेरी इजी। व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज राइट 32 as 2 raised to 5, 40 as this, and 45 as this. Now select all the powers. So what is the highest power of 2 common? What is the highest power of 3? You will get. Any doubt kids? कुछ भी तरह से डाउट वाउट है तो बताओ, otherwise we will move ahead. Tell me, tell me. तो आगे बढ़ते हैं यार। आज क्या सीखने वाले हैं सर? बताएंगे यार, वेट। तो what I thought is how to find SCF. Bhavya, SCF is very simple yaar, just take the common factors, right? Bhavya, hey Bhavya,
Hello, sir.
how are you kid? How are you kid?
Sir, I'm good.
Why is it not coming? बेटा आईसीएफ निकालना बहुत सिंपल है, सिर्फ कॉमन हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर्स को ले लो। करेक्ट। फॉर एग्जांपल 15 को देख, 3 into 5 है, करेक्ट।
Yes, sir.
That is 2 into 3 into 5. So what is the common factor in both 3 and 5? So hence SCF is 15. Clear? बोलो,
Yes, sir.
पक्का क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure about it? Tell me.
Yes, sir. Now it is clear.
Very good, very good. Thank you Bhavya. Let's move ahead यार। कुछ भी डाउट हो किड्स feel free to ask यार, otherwise how will I understand? So next is a very good question kids. Okay, there are two numbers given यार, दो numbers दिए हुए हैं 12 and P and 6 and 60. LCM and SCF of two numbers 12 and P are 6 and 60. So what we have proved is, we can prove is LCM into SCF of two numbers is equal to product of two numbers. Yes or no? Yes or no? Is it valid for three numbers? क्या तीन numbers के लिए valid है ये? Yes sir. Is it valid? 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 Three numbers के लिए valid. ज्ञान, आदित्य, ब्रो खेलना बंद कर, क्लास में एंजॉय कर, डोंट प्ले ब्रो। व्हाट हैपेंड ब्रो? व्हाट हैपेंड? ऐसे करते हो तुम लोग? ऐसे ऐसे व्हाट हैपेंड ब्रो? दैट लुक्स सो comedy types. Anyways, product of two numbers, right? 12 into P, which is equal to 6 into HCF into LCM, right? तो इससे ज्यादा इजी क्वेश्चन तो क्या ही है? Anybody has any doubt? Yes, Bhavya, you are right. We will take the minimum power of the common factor. Who has doubt? Anybody has a doubt in this? Are you ready for quiz? Let's start. जल्दी रे करो रे बाबा. Last 10 seconds. Done. Very good, Bhavya. You're right. Let's hit it, yeah. Wow, kids. So I don't think it requires any solution. So बहुत simple था. A will be 75. Chalo kids, then let's move ahead, yeah. Okay. Next question is, okay. We have to prove that 6 raised to n does not end with 0. So how we gonna prove it? So for ending with 10, at least we need what? For ending with 10, see, 0 basically, you need 1, 2, and 1, 5. How many of you agree? यार एक दो और एक पाँच तो चाहिए. I need 1, 2, and 1, 5 at least. एक 2 और एक 5 चाहिए. Because यार 2 5 से 10 होता है. एक तो चाहिए. I need at least one. I don't know about the two. Sir, दो मत दो, but एक तो दो. One pair I need. How many of you agree? एक pair तो चाहिए sir. One pair I need, sir. You cannot do this with me. At least give me one pair. One pair नहीं दोगे तो I'll not talk to you. एक पेयर तो चाहिए यार. बिना एक पेयर के we will not talk. Yes or no? At least एक पेयर तो चाहिए. Yes or no? One pair. At least give us one pair, otherwise don't talk to us. So we need one pair of correct. Cooler, sir. Cooler, sir. So let's talk about 6. But if you 6 raised to n, if you see, it is 2 raised to n into 3 raised to n. Yes, it has 1, 2. Come on, it has 1, 2. But 5 है क्या? 5 है क्या? If 5 is not there, we will say that it will not end with yes or no. Is it clear? So what you learned quickly, let's see this here. It's a very amazing thing. 4 is to n. Will it end with 0? No, sir. क्या missing है यहाँ पे? 5 is missing. Yes, this will end. No. What is missing? 5 is missing. No. 2 is missing. Yes. So can we have any other factors apart from 2 and 5? Yes or no? Can we have any other factors apart from? Yes, 2 and 5 के अलावा you can have any other factor. Yeah, sorry, Raj, it will work. It can have any other factor apart from 3, 2 and 5. For example, 30. 30 ends with what? 0, right? So it is what? 2 into 3 into 5. Apart from 2 and 5, we have 3 also, right? So it does not matter. So are you ready to do one question based on this? Example 20 भी ले ले. So 20 is what? 2 square into 5. So it already 2 and 5 is there, na? Arshad. Let's do questions, yeah. Yeah. Let's do questions. Allah, Allah. Ready. मचाओ यार. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Last 3, 2, 1, and time's up. So amazing try, kids. It's so awesome. मचाओ यार. So you can clearly see, sir. अभी ऑप्शन को उठाओ. इतना सिंपल. एक 2 और एक 5. So jokes apart, let's move ahead, kids. What is the decimal expansion of half? Is it half? I'm gonna ask you a very amazing question. Are you guys ready to answer that? If you are ready, let's move ahead. Basically, we will see that. Okay. Uh, okay. जैसे ये सारे numbers को देखो. Okay. देखा. So you notice their their factorization is like this. So it's right. Its prime factorization is like this. So what will happen? Now we are talking about terminating or non-terminating. Terminating means after decimal it should. After decimal it should be what? Stop. Terminating means after decimal it should. So how we will know whether a decimal, whether a number is terminating or non-terminating? कैसे पता चलेगा? Just think about it, यार. How will I know? जादू थोड़ी है. मैजिक है क्या? छड़ी घुमाया और पता चला. कुछ तो होगा यार. लॉजिक कुछ तो होगा. By 2 and 5. ईशानी says 2 and 5. वाह आदित्य, जोक बहुत मजा था. मजेदार जोक था. Exactly. So if the denominator, so kids say with me, the denominator should have only 2 raised to m into 5 raised to m. Only which prime factors? Only 2 and 5. It cannot have any other prime factors apart from 2 and 5. Prime factor. Anybody has any concern? कि sir मेरे को concern है. I have a little pain. Can you resolve our pain? You can see this, they are terminating. They are terminating. They are terminating. Terminator, where are you? 2 power 0. अबे 2 power 0 तो 1 होता है. चलेगा आदित्य. Terminator, where are you? Yes, Ria.
Sir, if we have any other number than 2 or 5 means in denominator.
नहीं चलेगा ना बेटा, देखिए देख, ये दिस इज आंटी, can't amend. But I will be, you are looking very saddest type today. तुम्हारे जीवन
No,
में थोड़ा सा कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ गया. There is that smile. Yes, you have a beautiful smile. Why are you not smiling? जबरदस्ती पेरेंट्स से बिठाया पढ़ने.
no.
Are you happy?
Yes, sir.
Why you are hustling? You should be like getting my point.
Yeah.
Am I saying wrong or I am saying right? गायब ही हो गई. So she disconnected. What do you guys think? She has disconnected or she did it unintentionally? What happened, Ria? You are done.
I got disconnected.
Okay, okay. Yeah, fine. Pakka.
Yes.
Hello, all the way. Ria, where are you from?
What?
Where are you from?
Gujarat.
Arey wah. Very good. All the best, Ria. Always remember, kids, whenever you do my class, don't be sad. If you are feeling sad, you can. How to join Telegram, I'll tell you. HTTPS slash t.me Nikhil Vedantu. ठीक है Arshad, I'll do that. To be understood, right? If anything other than 2 and 5, we will say they are not terminal. क्विज कराते हैं यार समझ, थोड़ा सा भावना को कंट्रोल कर. So you can take a screenshot of this slide. This is the most important slide. हाँ, अगर डिनोमिनेटर जैसे 1/8 है, it's always terminating. See? So it can be either 2, either 5, or anything apart from 2 and 5, but nothing apart from this. So let's start quiz. Are you ready, kids? Chalo, let's start. 3, 2, 1. Let's hit it. Last 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, yeah, very good. Aditya, Nidhi, Muskan, Sumit, Payal, Shubh, Krishna, Arshad, Aditya, and Riya. Cool, yeah. Okay, let's see this option, right? 47/60. So it can be written as 47 upon 2 into 12 into 5, right? So 2 square into 3 raised to 1 into 5 raised to 1. So apart than 2 and 5, what came? So that's why non-terminating. Well, while you see this, 28 by 48 is like what? 2 cube into 5. It's only 2 and 5, that's why it's terminating. Whether you see this, it's like 73 by 5 cube. Only 5 is there, right? That's why it is terminating. Is it clear? Sometimes I can throw googly questions also, right? So we ready. 5 seconds I'll count. Nidhi, Payal, Rakshit, Shuk, Kajal, Aditya, Krishna, Riya, Muskan, Isha, and Ishani, Arshad, Marlene, Aditya, and Bhavya. Awesome. Let's hear it, yeah. 3, 2, 1. Last 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and time's up. So, super awesome try, kids. Very good, yaar, Aditya. Mohammad, Arshad, Samit, Gyan, Payal, Ishani, Aditya, Riya, and Shub. Okay, okay. अरे देखो ये ऑप्शन को देखो 6/99, right? Uh, so it can be written as 3/33. Sorry, we have to always simplify in the simple form. So it will be 2/33, which is 2 by 3 into 11. Whereas if you see this one, 84/60 divided by 3, so it will be 28/20. 28/20 is what? 2 square into 5 raised to 1. Whereas this, if you want to talk about 35/56 divided by 7, so it will be 5/8. 5/8, 8 is nothing but 2 cube, right? Sorry. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? So kids, we have अरे प्ले करेंगे एक्चुअली मोबाइल इज नॉट वर्किंग यार अर्षद इसलिए आई एम नॉट एबल टू प्ले यार प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड द मोबाइल चार्ज पे yes Riya always first in prayers चार्ज पे यार बहुत जीरो चार्ज हो गया है अभी क्या कर सकते हैं नेक्स्ट सेशन कर देंगे यार टेंशन पे छोटी छोटी चीजों पे टेंशन नहीं और दिल छोटे छोटे चीजों पे नहीं तोड़ते बड़े चीजों पे तोड़ते तो kids what I was going to tell you is IPL होगा IPL होगा we have two more questions to be done okay so what we will do is still here whatever you want है ना next session होगा so whatever you have to ask right uh, you can ask me for example अब बताओ इसमें से कौन सा ऑप्शन ए बी सी डी इनमें से कौन है जो डज नॉट हैव टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन टेल मी लेट्स डू हॉटस्पॉट 3 2 1 हाँ नाइस तो यार इसमें कोई प्राइस नहीं है क्योंकि सी होगा भाई बिकॉज सी है 7/15 which is like 7/3 into 5 in the simplest form also you are having denominator में other factors apart from 35 just to 2 2 5 2 5 2 5 बच्चों को क्या कर सकते हैं what about this is it terminating or non terminating done done oh sorry I wanted to ask you is whether is it terminating or not Hmm. Last 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and wow. So you can clearly see, right? 39/60 इसको 3 से divide करेगा तो 13/20. And we all know that 20 is sorted. Yes or no? So kids, that was like मतलब आज content बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो गया यार. You guys are very talented. The micro courses in my micro courses, whenever I teach, my content gets finished so fast. I go fast or I'm going slow. I'm going fast. तो ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि स्टूडेंट्स बहुत मजेदार है I'm not fast. Students are over smart. They smart, not over smart. Students are smart and talented. So kids, let's have a doubt session now. Anybody has a doubts on this parts, you can discuss. Arshad, definitely, yeah. Thank you, Ishani. हाँ यार यहाँ टाइम मतलब बहुत जल्दी निकल जा रहा है so that's why in my micro courses it's maximum 45 minutes कभी क्या नहीं normal class it goes to 1 hour but right even if I try ना even if I see 1 A B C तब भी नहीं जाता ट्राइंगल का माइक्रो कोर्सेज चल रहा है अर्षद आज ज्ञान से पूछिए आई थिंक सैटरडे फ्राइडे थर्सडे एंड सैटरडे चल रहा है सॉरी फ्राइडे एंड सैटरडे यस आदित्य ऑल क्वेश्चंस आर डन 6 p.m. yeah Next class will be tomorrow itself. So please teach irrational division and multiplication. So you have completed this now. हाँ Arshad. Rakshit, बहुत simple है यार Rakshit. You just need to rationalize that. For example, 1 by root 3 plus 2 is there, right? So rationalize. In that times, just think about rationalization. Okay, there's one good news for all of you here. My by 16th I will be done with solutions of this entire past 12 years chapter wise questions of maths CBSE, only CBSE, and with solution. So yeah, you'll be getting that. अच्छा ना क्या? Bhavya, just you can put any rational number which is not repeating and non-terminating. So kids, is it a good news for you? गुड न्यूज ये है कि जो जितने भी पास्ट 10 years की जो क्वेश्चन बेस्ड है ना वो बीक्यूपी टाइप वाले, तो उसके साथ उसका जो सोल्यूशन है दैट आई हैव ऑलरेडी डन ऑलमोस्ट 100 क्वेश्चंस बच गए हैं. माइक्रो कोर्सेज में नहीं करवाएंगे वो, इट विल बी गिवन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ बुक में दिया जाएगा. पीडीएफ बुक आई मेड इट, या तो बुक से फिर सोल्यूशन है. रक्षित, √8 is to √2, not 8. So 8 √8 you can write 4 into 2. So √4 into √2, √4 at 2 to √2. Shubh, you can take common, so you will see they have prime factors apart from क्या बोलते हैं, la, 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 la. So kids, this is a good idea to give you guys a book. Yes, very soon you will be getting that. I don't know. BQP का solution मिल रहा है. When solution. I think mostly Kindle. I'll upload in Kindle. 35 into 4, 70 into ID नहीं, you can just easily. Kindle मतलब Amazon. Yes, Riya, Vedic Maths ले रहे हैं, but Vedic Maths course खत्म हो गया, but it will be launched again, don't worry. No captain. आदित्य यार, तुम लोग के लिए मैं मतलब खुद खरीद के दे दूंगा, but in general I'll upload there. In general, क्योंकि I want it to be for all students. ऐसा कुछ सोचा था. देखते हैं, I want to help all of students, ऐसा मेरा मन है. So, देख लेना तुम लोग. वेदांतु में भी होगा. हाँ. You guys tell me यार, तुम लोगों को अच्छा लगा या नहीं? मैथ्स नहीं भावेश, या किंडल सबके लिए होता है ना, किंडल में यू कैन रीड एनी बुक. और वैदिक मैथ्स का भी कुछ नोट्स जुगाड़ कर रहे हैं. और वैदिक मैथ्स आल्सो आई एम मेकिंग वन गुड नोट्स. इट इज टेकिंग टाइम लिटिल बिट, बट या पेड वर्जन नहीं लेना अर्शद, बिना पेड वर्जन के हो जाएगा. यू कैन जस्ट Bhavya, it will be uploaded by mostly end of this month. नहीं आदित्य, बिना उसके ही हो जाएगा. तो शुभ आई थिंक सॉल्व हो चुका है, तो ये सॉल्व कर लो यार. 7 6 42 42 4 168 176 हो जाता है। हाँ 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 1012 आएगा 108 1009 जो भी है चेक कर लेना यू विल गेट अदर फैक्टर्स अपार्ट फ्रॉम वन इजी था। लेट्स सी लीडर बोर्ड यार दीदी सबका मैसेज नहीं दिख रहा क्यों सर आई डोंट नो सबका मैसेज ही तो दिख रहा है। हाँ हाँ ईशानी वी विल टेक अगेन आई एम एबल टू सी सबका मैसेज। Oh, you can't see because you are batches wise. Anyways, Nidhi, Shub, Payal, Kajal, Rakshit, Aditya, Riya, Krishna. अरे अच्छा है ना मुस्कान कैप्टन आई मीन अरशद ईशानी मोहम्मद सुमित ईशा एंड मरली डेफिनेटली ओके लेट्स मीट अगेन टुमारो सो विल मीट अगेन टुमारो at 2:30 thank you kids and bye bye take care yeah lots of love bye kids